Alright, we got this thoroughly cleaned. Time to try it out again. And we've got the two holes there that basically line up together, and then we gotta go down through the back side of this number 3 spot, and then we can rotate until that tab gets popped up over our tensioner through number 5, and I'm glad I've got these tweezers out. And then 6, and there we go, through the there, and we're not making any stitches. Alright. We're in. Alright. Okay. Okay, time to try and see what's going on under there. Oh, that needle is too high. Alright, so we just need to raise our there we go. Now we're getting our loops made. Alright. Alright. Let's clamp this back down and see if we're making some stitches again. Alright. Alright. Maybe that... Okay. And it's not dropping that hook. Not dropping that loop now. Well, I thought it had... tension that was too high before, but maybe it needs that higher tension on here to pull that loop back up. Okay. Let me try lowering this needle one more time. Is there? Yeah, there's a spot in the top here, and we can see the needle go through the hole. Need to get a better. There it went. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to do some more adjusting on this. Alright. I haven't really done anything else with this. The needle was a bit high, so I moved it down in the clamp to make sure that that hook underneath was going to catch properly. And now we've got a chain stitch going. So this machine is good to go, I think. It's still bunching pretty badly, but I don't know if loosening this tension is really gonna reduce the bunching. That's just a... Oh, there we go. Okay. Now, the important thing about chain stitch is that they do come undone all on their own if you don't remember to tie the end off. And I'm gonna there we go. Turn around and there. I think this is working about as well as a chain stitch machine ever does, so I'm gonna return it to the owner now that we've got all that string off of it.